Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix add phone number option not showing on Roblox. So in the account info interface of Roblox, if you're not being able to see the option for adding the phone number, there might be various reasons behind that. The first reason might be because of your reason, Roblox does not support adding the phone number in certain reasons. So in that case, what you can do is simply try using the VPN. Install the VPN extension or application and simply turn it on. After you connect to the VPN of the location that allows you to connect to the Roblox, your problem might be solved and you might be able to see the option for adding the phone number. The second reason might be because of your age. The option for phone number will only be available if you're 18 years or older. In that case, make sure your birthday is selected like that. If your birthday is selected in such a way that you're not 18 years, in that case what you can do is simply click on this edit icon. After doing that, you'll be able to update the birthday. Make sure to set the year in such a way you're 18 years or older. After doing that, your problem can be solved. In that case, what you have to do is click on this option, verify my age. After that, you'll have to complete an ID verification process operated by third-party service provider. After you verify your identity, your age will officially be 18 years or older. After that, you'll be able to find the option for adding the phone number. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix add phone number option not showing on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.